taxi, we're going out, it's raining. So we're not on the scooter today, we're in a taxi. And we're driving round Muhanging, and we're going up towards Milan. And we're going, surprise, surprise. So enjoy the vlog today, guys. Guys, it's one of those days. It's taken us an hour and a half to get to this resort. It's pouring down with rain. So one of the selling points to come here was you can have beautiful views down to the coast. As you can see, it's grey, grey and grey because that's the clouds. It's pouring down with rain. Look, it's pouring down with rain. Yeah? But one of Andy's friends recommended it. Our area, lockers here, but you have to bring your own padlocks. What gets me, this is a changing room. So, why would you actually put windows? Why would you put windows in a changing room that people can see in and out of? A little bit bizarre, huh? What do you think? What do you think? And there's a window here. So there's one here, and there's one here. And I think this changing room is an afterthought because every one of the showers has windows above them, so you can actually see into the shower. Look. Oh my god. And it's not two-way glass, guys. It goes both ways, because a guy just walked past here and he waved at me. So you do the shower curtain inside a cubicle, but there's nothing on the glass.
You scared me.
Hello, darling. There we go. We're going over there. Where do you want to go, darling? It's wet over there, darling. What are you doing? Where's the... It's wet, huh?
Things in there.
Okay.
You want one?
No, darling, you just go where you gotta go. It's complicated with Antoinette. Yeah. It's raining, so she wants to go and sit on the sand. So it has sand, and it's wet, and it has palm trees. Look at that. It has a basketball court and a volleyball court. It has a quarantine area. Yeah, I don't know how the quarantine area works. And then you have this concrete area here. This concrete area walks down like a little beach. And then the beach goes from here into the water, infinity pool, and out to the Davao Gulf. So out there is Kneale, and over the back there is the land. And then there's Antoinette, okay, she's there. Does she look very white? She doesn't look very Filipino, does she? The concrete looks browner than Antoinette. That's because she's been asleep. So there's somebody over here with their little net, and we're going to go for a swim. There's people over here posing. So this is it. So you have an office building here. You have the clubhouse here. I'm going to walk around after you've had a swim, but I've just been told that it's 13 to 15,000 pesos a square metre to buy the land on this subdivision. It's quite a nice subdivision. It's right out in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. You know, Davao is this way, about 11-12 kilometers, but yeah, anyway, his and hers flip-flops, his and hers slippers, his and hers sandals, and he's calling. There we go, guys. It's a little bit raining, so where's my thumb? I don't want my thumb in the shot. I don't want my thumb in the shot. It's starting to flood here. It's starting to flood. I'm at water level. I'm going to get some hot chocolate. To swimming, and this is the swimming pool. This is the view of Davao. Yeah, it is absolutely pouring it down, but I've got a chocolate coming. Oh, what'd you say? There we go. We are just going to have 2 hot chocolates here in the rain. In the rain! Look, is that Antoinette? She looks very white. Very white. Oh, look at that. It's pouring down. It was warmer in the swimming pool than it was outside. Warmer in the swimming pool. And it's not a heated pool. But, yeah. Okay, this is Mercedes, and it's a subdivision just outside Kneale. What can I say? It's nice, it's quiet, it's exclusive. This place has been built for 5 years, and there are 15 houses here, okay, and they are spread out. There is one up here in these trees. There is one down here in those trees. There are 2 or 3 over here. There are 2 or 3 over here. And then behind this clubhouse, there is one. So this clubhouse is at the bottom of the subdivision overlooking Kneale and the bay. And the rest of the subdivision is up this way. Okay? As I said, it's 13,000 to 15,000 peso per square meter. And it's a big subdivision, but it's got very, very few people on it. The facilities are very nice. There's a gym here, a clubhouse, a restaurant called Alberto's. As you can see, there's 5 or 6 scooters, 5 or 6 cars, and that's about it. There is nothing else in this subdivision. If the subdivision was cheaper, think it wouldn't become so exclusive, but it's really clean. It's quiet. It's a beautiful place outside. You can see the flooding on this street here, where it's all running down from the top where the houses are. You can see, so the houses, there's one out in front of me over there. Quite a nice house. I don't know what it is, but it's there. The road is here to my right. You can see the water coming down, and you can see the water rushing over the rock into the gully and the drains. They're here. There's a fire hydrant there on the right hand side. It's got big street lighting, and it goes in front of you down there. Clubhouse is to the left. Very, very well manicured. So there's a parking area over here. There's no condos on this subdivision. It's only houses, which is really, really nice. It's quiet. Absolutely quiet. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We booked a taxi to come from Tyrrell, but it can't come here because there's flooding in Tyrrell. So we're just waiting for that taxi. But you can see the water running down the hill. So if you're coming here, don't get a house down the bottom here, because there's the flooding here on the left hand side. You can see it on the road. Get yourself a house up here on the high slide and on that ground over there. But where the camera is pointing, the other side of that grass area, or that plot area, is the exit out onto the road. And the road is a really nice road down to the main AH26 that goes right to Digos and left into Tyrrell, Puan and Davao City. It's yeah. I'm very surprised about this subdivision. Yeah. This is the gardener. He's out walking around. I'm just wading through some water. But as you can see, there's no rubbish, no garbage, no crap. There's no dogs or cats running around. So I don't know who owns the property here, whether it's predominantly foreigners, Americans, Canadians, Europeans, I don't know. I've not asked that, I'm not being that nosy. But it's absolutely pouring down. I think it will get busy when the sun's out.